Let me show you how to delete multiple effects at once. Select the clips you want to delete the effects of. Right-click and select. Remove attributes, and only select the effects you want to delete. And boom, you are done. Let me show you how to export multiple sequences at once. First, make sure that you have installed Adobe Media Encoder. Before exporting, check if all the sequences have the right in and out point, or make sure to delete the in and out point. This will export the whole timeline if that is what you want. Now select all the sequences that you want to export. Now right-click and click Export Media. Now click Match Source. This will make sure that all the exports are the same settings as the sequences you have chose. Choose the location for your videos. The name of the videos will be the same as the name of the sequences. Now press Send to Media Encoder. This will start up Adobe Media Encoder. Now press the green play button, and now it will export all videos at once. If you want to close all gaps between clips at once, simply go to Sequence and then press Close Gap. Now all the gaps between clips are removed. If you just want to close a section of gaps, make a selection where you want to close the gaps, and then repeat the first step. This will close just the gaps between the clips you selected. Don't waste time doing this. Do it like this instead. Just go to keyboard shortcuts, Shift Option, Key, and search Nest, then drag it to the letter of your choice. We used N. Now you can nest a click by just pressing N, and you're ready to use Warp or anything else. Start by going to the toolbar and hold down the Ripple Edit tool, then select the Remix tool. Now simply click and drag the audio to how long you want the audio to be. This can be shorter or longer.